You've witnessed our deliberation on the sufficiency in substance of the De Jesus complaint, no? We suspended the voting on the sufficiency of substance because we wanted to give time to the justice members to think them over, all the discussions that we had today, before they vote tomorrow afternoon, no? We likewise suspended the deliberation on the sufficiency on substance with respect to the second complaint, that is the Masa et al., because what happened today was quite exhaustive already, and we wanted the Kongs to have fresh mind when they listen to the manifestation of position of the endorsers of Masa et al., no? So, during our deliberation, narinig nyo yung iba't ibang comments ng mga Kongs, but all of them pertain to the requirement of recital of facts, which must constitute an offense that is determinative of the jurisdiction of the Justice Committee, meaning it should be an impeachable offense. Kaya, kagaya ng palagi kong sinasabi, it's not enough that the official is guilty of an offense. That offense must constitute a ground for impeachment.